Every day we face more and more kinds of portable electronic devices, and every electronic device sometimes needs a battery recharge. We offer you a universal car power adapter with a 5-pin mini-USB connector and a compact spiral cord. This charger lets you charge accumulators for MP player, GPS-navigators, Bluetooth headsets and other mobile devices with a 5-pin mini-USB socket from the car's cigarette lighter socket. This adapter allows you to save space, as it may replace several chargers. It's simple to operate. You just connect it to the car cigarette lighter, then a red LED lights up. It means that the adapter is now working. After that, you may connect the device you want to charge to the USB port. Input voltage is 12 to 24 volt. Output voltage 5 volt. When the accumulator is fully charged, you simply remove the adapter from the cigarette lighter.